Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Midjourney prompt engineering for campaign imagery step by step clearly. Begin by clearly defining your campaign goals. Identify the type of imagery that aligns with these goals. Research trending themes and styles relevant to your audience. Open the Midjourney platform and log into your account. Familiarize yourself with the prompt structure used in Midjourney. Start with a base prompt that encapsulates your core message. Incorporate specific adjectives to set the mood or tone of the imagery. Add key elements relevant to your campaign, such as subjects or objects. Specify the desired art style or visualization technique. Adjust parameters like aspect ratio or quality settings, if necessary. Generate initial images using your prompt to assess their relevance. Evaluate the generated imagery against your campaign goals. Take notes on what works and what does not. Iterate on your prompt by tweaking adjectives or subjects. Run the revised prompts to generate new images. Continue this cycle of evaluation and revision. Gather feedback from team members on the generated imagery. Refine your prompts further based on this feedback. Select the best images that resonate with your campaign's message. Finalize the chosen images for use in your campaign materials. Document your prompt engineering process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.